Watch this video before starting your K1 fiance journey. Hi, I'm Attorney J. Francis. I'm a U.S. immigration lawyer based in Chicago, but serving all 50 states. Today, I'm going to talk about K1 fiance visa process and processing time update for 2024. I'm going to start with the three basic requirements for K1 fiance visa. Number one, both U.S. citizen petitioner and foreign fiancé are free to get married. Number two, U.S. citizen petitioner and foreign fiancé met in person within 2 years of 129F filing. Number three, 129F petitioner must be a U.S. citizen. So now you know that you meet all the requirement for starting K1 fiance visa. But where do you start? I'm gonna walk you through 3 stages of K1 fiance visa. First step, you prepare and file 129F USCIS form with the supporting documents, and then you file to USCIS. I'm going to talk about 2 most important documents. There's more, but 2 most important. Number 1, intent to get married statement. Intent to marry statement. Both U.S. citizen petitioner and foreign fiancé must state and sign that when the foreign fiancé enters the U.S. with a K1 visa and within 90 days, you need to say that you're going to get married within 90 days. Both of you need to submit and sign. Number 2, the most crucial documents for 129F form would be you submit the U.S. citizen petitioner and foreign fiancé met in person within 2 years of filing this petition. So it can be flight itineraries, if you stay in hotel receipts, pictures, and all this. Now this process right now in 2024, it takes between 2 and 3 months to complete it if you have a good case. And even if your petition is assigned to California Service Center, it's going to take usually 2 and 3 months now. Number 2, NVC case number. National Visa Center will email you a unique NVC visa case number. This will happen about 30 to 60 days after USCIS approve your 129F petition. This number is absolutely important because you need this number to start filling out and submit DS-160 application. Also, you need this number to start scheduling interview for your fiancé. Now, in addition to having NVC case number and filling out DS-160, also you need to create and then complete US Travel Doc account or US Travel Info account. And then with that, you'll be able to schedule interview for your fiancé. Number 3, consular interview. When interview is scheduled, there's multiple appointments you need to complete this process. Number 1, your foreign fiancé must complete immigration medical exam with a local panel physician. And number 2, in most countries, your fiancé must complete a biometrics appointment, which is collecting fingerprints. And then, number 3, your fiancé need to drop off or submit all the required documents, including the relationship documents and U.S. citizen petitioners 134 affidavit of support and financial documents. Also, your fiancé need to attend a consular interview. Now, some countries, this appointment for document drop-off and review and interview will happen on a single day. Some countries, this will happen in 2 different dates. So be aware that document drop-off and interview may be different dates. So how long does it take to get K1 Fiance visa in 2024. From the beginning to the end, it means that getting K1 visa now will take about 5 to 6 months. You probably know that before COVID, K1 visa processing time was 6 months. But during the COVID, it was increased to 18 and more months. Now we're back to normal. So from the beginning to the end is about 6 months. Very fast, and that's really good. Finally, when K1 visa is approved, your fiance has about 6 months to enter the US. And also, when your fiance enters the US, you have about 90 days, exactly 90 days, to complete your civil marriage. You need to get married within 90 days. Also, your fiance need to apply for K1 based adjustment of the status. It's called green card process to get a work permit and then green card. It's exciting time to start and submit your K1 fiance visa because it's a faster, right, than during COVID period. Stay tuned. We'll give you more advanced K1 fiance visa information. We're gonna share that with you. Thank you for watching.